everyone! Welcome to DIY House! Today, I will make a small pink house for the adorable strawberry bear, the cutest bear I know.
Wow!
I hope you will like this house. Let's get started. First, I'll create the frame of the house using cardboard and colored paper. I'm making a green bathroom floor and adding borders. The bathroom needs a standing shower and a spray nozzle. The strawberry bear loves bathing, and so do I. It's really fun. All of it is made from white and yellow clay. Take a look. Doesn't it look real? A thin sheet of pink clay, cutting away the excess. I'm going to make a toilet. Pink twine wrapped around the edges. Do you like a strawberry bear-shaped toilet seat? Shaping the details of the face. Attaching strawberry beads to the body. Wow, it looks beautiful.
I want to buy some jars of cosmetics.
Oh, never mind. I have some right here. Strawberry stickers. I love strawberries the most. Upcycling an old plastic bottle cap surrounded by a clay skirt. A stylish bathtub is created. A pair of strawberry-shaped slippers made effortlessly from clay. The bathroom is complete. The strawberry bear can use it right away. Let's create a pastel pink wardrobe. Assembling the pieces together. I need a lot of compartments in the wardrobe. Do you know what I'm making? A cute green frog. The friend of the strawberry bear. Adding details to complete the adorable frog.
Wow! Hello!
A strawberry-shaped bedside lamp. A mushroom-shaped clock. I drew the details with a pen. A flower vase, tea set, and books. And an adorable landline phone. The bear needs a big bed. Let's make one by folding and wrapping paper around to create the bed frame. The cover for the mattress, stuffed with soft cotton. I'm drawing a cute strawberry bear-shaped headboard, using a knife to cut along the outline. Covering the clay layer on the outside, adding a nose, eyes, and facial details. It's done! Perfect! Thin pink clay rolled out a fondant mold shaping patterns, cutting away excess parts. Running a border of yellow clay round. Completing the pink blanket. Adding to strawberry-shaped pillows. Moving to the kitchen. I need to make a kitchen counter. The kitchen counter's surface made with box stone pattern, paper. Let's attach strawberry-shaped cabinet doors together. Wavy edges for the countertop. I need to quickly make an oven to prepare dinner for the strawberry bear.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's make some sandwich bread together. Okay. Woo!
Ingredients are ready. Let's make the bread. Next is green lettuce. What else? Cold cuts, right? Cucumbers are ready. A little bit of spicy seasoning. Do you prefer tomatoes or cheese? And finally, the bread. Let's eat.
Wow.
The kitchen rug poking, poking, poking to create a soft texture. I forgot to make the spice rack. Predominantly pink. With 3 spice jars in green, red, and blue. The house is almost complete. I'll now make a sofa for the living room. A cute flower-shaped coffee table.
Oh, the sofa looks fantastic. I love it. Thank you so much.
The house is complete. How do you like it? I really love it. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to watch me build more houses in the future. Do you have any ideas? Feel free to comment below the video. Now I have some homework to finish. Goodbye for now.